Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing or typing your roster into Excel. This saves time later. Create columns for date, student ID, name, status, and notes so each record is consistent. Use data validation on status to force values like present, absent, late, excused. This prevents typos. Once done, freeze the top row and format headers with bold and color to scan quickly. Save as an XLSX file to preserve tables and formulas, because consistency avoids errors when you analyze attendance later. Now you automate marking so manual work shrinks. Use IF formulas to convert status into numeric values, for example, equals if D2 equals present, 1, 0, and then use COUNTIF or SUM to total presents per student. Apply conditional formatting rules to color present green, absent red, late orange. This helps you scan patterns. Once data exists across dates, insert a pivot table to summarize by student or date, because pivot tables let you filter, group, and spot trends quickly without rewriting. Finish by locking formula cells and protecting the sheet so others can enter statuses but not break calculations. Create a summary view and export as PDF or CSV for administrators or parents. CSV preserves raw data for import elsewhere. If totals don't match, first check for hidden rows or merged cells, then verify data validation lists and inconsistent spelling. If necessary, use the trim function to remove extra spaces. Make sure to save version backups to recover from accidental changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.